Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. I'm Shraddha Pawar from Standard 2nd, subject English. Our today's topic name is Mr. Weatherman. Before starting the lesson, I want to ask you few questions. Are you ready? Okay. My first question is, how do you feel today? Yes, I feel cold today. Very good. Now my second question is, what can you see up in the sky? We can see clouds up in the sky. Very good, students. There is something like cotton. That thing is called clouds. So, we see clouds up in the sky. The sky is cloudy. Understood? Now, students, today we will name the three main seasons of the year. Understood? Number 1, rainy season. Rainy season means monsoon. Understood? Here you can see in this picture rainy season. Now my next picture is of winter season. Winter season. I feel cold in winter season. Understood? Next picture is of summer season. I feel very hot in summer season. Okay, students. Now tell me which picture is this? Number 1, first one, upside. Yes, very good. Rain. And next, downside, which picture is it? Correct. Clouds. Okay? Now, students, related to this, we will see our today's topic. In this story, there is a man and a girl. The name of the man is Mr. Weatherman, and the name of the girl is Reshma. We will learn about rain in this story. Now, why the man is named as Weatherman? He is named as Weatherman because he is going to tell Reshma about the weather. Understood? Now, what is meant by weather? That we will see. What is weather? Weather means the changing atmosphere is called weather. Students, listen carefully. Weather means what? The changing atmosphere is called weather. Now, atmosphere means what? Yes, what is meant by atmosphere? The air around our earth is known as atmosphere. I will repeat again. Atmosphere means what? Atmosphere means the air around our earth is known as atmosphere. Okay, understood? Students, now we will have an activity. Okay? Everyone blow. Yes, blow. Correct. Did you experience the air around? Yes, very good. As I said, we all will learn about rain today. So let us start. Now I will read this lesson. Okay? Our today's topic name is Mr. Weatherman. Reshma. Mr. Weatherman, I want to know what is rain? Weatherman. Rain is drops of water. Reshma. Where does rain come from? Weatherman. Rain comes from the clouds. Reshma. How big is a raindrop? Weatherman. Let me show you. It can be as big as the nail on your little finger. Reshma. Why rain is good? Weatherman. It gives us water to drink and it helps the plants to grow. Reshma. Thank you, Mr. Weatherman. Students, I will read this lesson again for your better understanding. Okay? Our today's topic name is Mr. Weatherman. Reshma. Mr. Weatherman, I want to know what is rain? Weatherman. Rain is drops of water. Reshma. Where does rain come from? Weatherman. Rain comes from the clouds. Reshma. How big is a raindrop? Weatherman. Let me show you. It can be as big as the nail on your little finger. Reshma. Why rain is good? Weatherman. It gives us water to drink and it helps the plants to grow. Reshma. Thank you, Mr. Weatherman. Students, today we read 3 new words. Those are rain, drops, and clouds. Here you can see in this picture rain. Students, repeat after me. Rain, drops, and clouds. Now we'll see meanings of new words. Number 1, rain. Rain means water falls from the clouds in small drops. Next, number 2, drops. Now drops means what? Something that is falling, vertical stance or points straight up. Next, number 3, clouds. Cloud is a large collection of very tiny droplets of water or ice crystals. Understood, students? Meanings of new words. Students, now see your picture of rain. Yes. Just now I told you rain means what? Water falls from the clouds in small drops. Here you can see in this picture. Now next picture is drop. Drop means what? Here you can see in this picture drop. Yes, something that is falling vertical stance or points straight up. See here. Drop of water? Yes or no? Now picture of clouds. See students, clouds, here you can see in this picture, clouds means what? Cloud is a large collection of very tiny droplets of water or ice crystals. Yes or no? There is something like cotton. That thing is called clouds. So, we see clouds up in the sky. Yes or no? See here in this picture. Let us make sentences with the help of today's new words. Number 1, rain. And the sentence is, rain gives us water for using. Next, number 2, drop. And the sentence is, every single drop of water is important. Next, number 3, clouds. And the sentence is, heavy clouds give away rain. Students, like this you have to make sentences with the help of new words. Understood? Now students, I will explain you our today's topic. In this story, two people are there. They talk with each other. They discuss about what is rain and how big is a raindrop and why is rain good. Reshma, Mr. Weatherman, I want to know what is rain. Reshma is now talking to the weatherman. Reshma is now talking to the Mr. Weatherman. Here in this story, one girl named Reshma is there. She wants to ask the weatherman what is rain. She wants to know more about rain. Reshma is very curious to know about the rain, and she addresses weatherman as Mr. Weatherman, and she asks, what is rain? Weatherman, rain is drops of water. Weatherman is now talking to that girl named Reshma. Rain is drops of water. Then Mr. Weatherman explained to Reshma, what is rain? Rain is drops of water. Water falling in drops from the sky is known as rain. Water comes from rain. Reshma, where does rain come from? Then again Reshma wants to ask one more question to Mr. Weatherman, and that question is, where does rain come from? Reshma was curious to know about where does rain come from. She wants more knowledge about rain, so she kept on asking many questions to the weatherman. She was curious to know about rain. Are you curious, students, to know more about rain? Yes, very good. Weatherman, rain comes from the clouds. Mr. Weatherman now talking to that girl named Reshma. Understood? After Reshma asked the question to the weatherman, he gave answer to her question and he said, rain comes from the clouds. Now cloud means what? Just now I told you, clouds means meaning of cloud. Yes, cloud is a large collection of very tiny droplets of water or ice crystals. Rain comes from the dark clouds which heavy with water. Understood? Reshma. How big is a raindrop? Here Reshma is now talking to the Mr. Weatherman. How big is a raindrop? Again she asked one question. She means who? Here she means Reshma. Again she asked one question to the weatherman. See students, how she is going on asking questions upon questions. Same way, you should also ask questions and questions to clear your doubts. As Reshma had a doubt regarding the rain, that what is rain? She asked a question and cleared her doubt. Then she asked where does rain come from? Here also again she asked a question and cleared her doubt. Then now she asked how big is a raindrop? She wants to know more about the rain, the size of a raindrop. Weatherman, let me show you. It can be as big as the nail on your little finger. Then he shows. He means who? He means weatherman. Then he shows to Reshma the size of a single raindrop. Understood? So students, show me your hand first. Yes, show me your hands. Very good. Okay students, now show me your finger. Yes, very good. Okay, now show me your nails. Very good. Now see your smallest finger. Yes. See the nail on it. Very good. Now you can guess the size of a single raindrop. Students, you can see here in this picture drop of water. Reshma, why rain is good? Reshma is now talking to the Mr. Weatherman. Why is rain good? Here again the little girl Reshma asked the question to the weatherman that why rain is good? Why rain is good? Weatherman, it gives us water to drink and it helps the plants to grow. Understood students? Yes. Now the weatherman says that rain is good because it gives us water to drink, which is an important source for a human to live. Without water, humans, animals and plants cannot live. Water is very important for everyone. We use water in our daily life in many ways, such as for cooking, bathing, cleaning vessels, washing clothes, drinking, and for many more. But we get water from rain. So, rain is good as well as important for us. Understood students? Yes or no? Okay. Reshma. Thank you Mr. Weatherman. Reshma is now talking to the Mr. Weatherman. Thank you Mr. Weatherman. Now here Reshma is grateful and she is thanking the weatherman for clearing her all doubts about rain. Students, you should also say thank you when anyone helps you or clear your doubt regarding a particular topic. Understood? Now we will see how rain comes and how our clouds form. Here I will explain you sun rays fall on the water. When sun rays fall on the water, water gets vaporized. Water vapors go up and forms clouds. Now let us revise it. When sun rays fall on the water, water gets vaporized. Water vapor go up and they found clouds. When the clouds become heavy and are not able to hold more, they fall as rain and fill up the oceans, rivers, lakes, ponds with water. Water again evaporates from these water bodies and cycle of water continues. Now here students, water bodies means oceans, rivers, lakes and ponds. Understood? This is called the water cycle. Come on students, it's time for your homework. Question number 1. Answer the following questions. Number 1. What is rain? And answer. Rain is drops of water. Next, number 2. Who is curious about the rain? And answer. Reshma was curious to know about the rain. Understood students? Question number 3. Why rain is good? And answer. Rain is good because it gives us water to drink and it helps the plants to grow. Next, number 4. Who gives the answer regarding the rain? And the answer. Mr. Weatherman gave the answers regarding the rain. Students, you have to write this question answer in your English notebook. Question number 2. Draw the picture of a rainy day given and describe it in 4 to 5 sentences. Understood? Students, here I gave you picture of rainy day. You have to draw this picture of a rainy day and describe it in 4 to 5 sentences. Understood? Thank you everyone. I hope you all understood this lesson very well. Thank you.